Hi Georgia, this video is for the testing pick 3 pi method that I like to use sometimes. Basically all that is where I take the number pi, 3.14159, and I'm back testing it to see if we can figure out numbers hitting in the next 7 days. For your state, it looks like Sundays is the day that your state likes for this. For this method, it looks like your state also likes +1 adjustment. Alright, so the first portion of this video will just be showing you the back testing that I do. Towards the end, I'll show you potential numbers for the pick 3 that I think may potentially hit in the next 7 days. Alright, so I did go back about a month to back test. For those of you who are new, all of the math done in the video is lottery math. On December 1st, you had 890 hit. So all you're doing is you're adding and subtracting 314. So 8 plus 3 is 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 or 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. And then subtracting that, you have 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. And then neither of those hit in the next 7 days. On this next portion, you're just adding and subtracting 159. So you're taking 104, add 159, 1 plus 1 is 2, 0 plus 5 is 5, and then 4 plus 9 is 13 or 3. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. Subtracting off 159, 1 minus 1 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 14 minus 9 is 5. And then here you're adding the 1, okay? So you take 0. Oh, never mind on the 0, okay? So you're taking +1 to either of those 5s there. In this example, I added 1 to the middle 5. So you have 0, 6, 5. And that did hit on December 6, 2019. And then 586 you got from up here, and it's just for illustration purposes, just so you can kind of get an idea of how to work this method. So the 586 you got from up here. You're adding 159, so 5 plus 1 is 6. 8 plus 5 is 3. 6 plus 9 is 5. You're also subtracting that, so 5 minus 1 is 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. 16 minus 9 is 7. And neither of those numbers hit in the next 7 days. Okay, on this next portion, I'm just showing you the numbers that did hit here a little bit. Not all of these. So December 8th, you did have 131 hit. You're adding 314, so 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then 1 plus 4 is 5. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. And you also subtract off that 314. So you have 11 minus 3, which is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. 11 minus 4 is 7. So that's 827. You're adding 1 to the 2 and bring down 87. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Bring down 87, and that's 837. And that hit on December 10th, 2019. All right, and then December 15th, 770 hit. You're adding 314, or I'm going to go with a subtraction first, because that number did not hit. So in the next 7 days, you have 7 minus 3, which is 4, 7 minus 1, which is 6, 10 minus 4, which is 6, and then you're adding 314, so you have 7 plus 3, which is 0, 7 plus 1, which is 8, 0 plus 4, which is 4, add 1 to the 8, and that's 094, and that number did hit on December 18th, 2019. And then you're going to also add 159 and take off 159 from the 466. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 5 is 11 or 1. 6 plus 9 is 5 or 15. And then you're going to also subtract off 159. So that's 16 minus 9 is 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Add the 1 to the 3 there, so that's 4. Take down 17. 417 did hit on December 19, 2019. Okay, December 22nd, 086 hit. You're adding 314 and take off 314. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10 or 0. 086 minus 314, so 10 minus 3 is 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. Both 390 and 772 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to add 159 and minus off 159 from 390, which is up here. 390 plus 159, so 3 plus 1 is 4. 9 plus 5 is 4, and then 0 plus 9 is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4, and then 10 minus 9 is 1, and neither of those numbers hit in the next 7 days. You can do the same thing with the 772 there. Add 159, subtract 159, and you got 772 from up here. 772 plus 159, so 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 5 is 12 or 2. 2 plus 9 is 11 or 1. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. You also subtract off 159, so 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. 12 minus 9 is 3. Minus 1 off the 6, and that's 523. And that did hit on December 29, 2019. Okay, and then on December 29, you did have 532 hit. You're going to add 314 minus 314, so 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Take off 314, so 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 12 minus 4 is 8. Neither of those numbers hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also add 159 and minus off 159 from 846, which you got from up here. Okay, so 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. 6 plus 9 is 15 or 5. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. When you minus off 159, you have 8 minus 1, which is 7. 14 minus 5, which is 9. 16 minus 9, which is 7, and 797 did not hit in the next 7 days. Going to do the same thing with 228, which you got from up here. When you add 159 to 228, you have 2 plus 1, which is 3, 2 plus 5, which is 7, 8 plus 9, which is 17, or 7. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. Subtract off 159, so 2 minus 1 is 1. 12 minus 5 is 7. 18 minus 9 is 9. And then you subtract off 1 from the 7 and bring down 1 9. So 7 minus 1 is 6. Bring down 1 9, and that's 169. That number did hit on January 4th, 2020. Ignore that 19 there. That should be a 20. So January 4th, 2020. All right, and then based on all of what I just covered, the potential numbers in the pick 3 in the next 7 days is going to be 163, 475, 747, 906, 524, and 857. Remember that sometimes my numbers are 1 digit off, so what that means, for example, so these numbers may show up maybe as, let's go with 475. So that may show up as 575, 375, 485, 465, 476, 474, and then you could do the same thing with all those numbers, okay? All right, Georgia, that is it. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know in that comment section.